bersyukur nak keslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki samla puli jong ka Riboy College Students Union minta kasngi kalai puway terik risau arajar Rbcsu kila yo ban pana perdano ya katayo le kemen jong ki samla ya kabala tip kum ke college week bat kabala sedang nadu ka Rbcsu terik upnai risau arajar Rbcsu. Hagini ki shitayo lenter la penlong ru ki jingile kai bapher kum shibenta ban iron san lem ni ki samla puli bakin yo ya kalat bakin saya laki sap ki pong ki jongki ki bakin top nado ka basketball, football, chess, story writing, poetry writing ka Jingïarap terko bat shibun ki wei di. Hagani gasngi Pynkut lawan banadon lang do ba Mayralborn Syiem MLK Jr Nongpo constituency ubra longru kumu kongsan uba RR makdo Syiem barim jong ke HADC kumu simbot kongsan u principal jong college uba EC Benny nalor kinong hikai ki samla puli bat ki wei di kinong shak hot ngobha. Nakalyong principal ula penparu ke jing songo yu ba Mayralborn Syiem halor ke jing don rengkat jong u ban Jingïarap ban kenteo yu ke Islam puli daga ba penyo yu ke computer lab kebadan haduk kombasis pak Tylli ki laptop bat ki wei di jing don kamban ay ke jing nang jing start keba kampakash ki samla puli kat kum ke juk keba minta. Nakalyong ba Mayralborn Syiem ba ajing kren ke sngi ulap hai khmat kerpang ha kabede bat kumno ban pun orlong yi jing po sneo lingba ka jing treshitom bat 3 minut bat bandon ru yi jing kit kle bat khamtam e bandon yi men sem jok jing sungu yi ke balale baha uba Mayralborn ulapan ken mauru yi jing po sneo jong kinong seng jong ka college ka bala yang menta kumakalong dai namar ka jing po sneo bat ka jing yi jingai jongki pakilala ban penyo ya kala jing puli ki samla ki ba wan ni ki long yeng long sem ki baduna ka yo ka kon ula ongru ba bon sin kum ki breu ki long ki ba klet date bat ki bam don ki jing sngongo ha ka bala kintu ki samla puli bat baro ki bedan bantalang ha ki jing lek men ki de ban don ni ka men sem jong ka jing sngongo ka men sem jong ka jing kit kle bat kham tam e ba kin shim khia ban long ki bre ki bala ban te ka yeng ka sem bat ru ye ke emlang ka sa lang.
Some of you have heard, because I always refer to this speech, to this famous quote, because it relates with the dream that Martin Luther King Jr. he has in 1963 about the famous quote, "I have a dream." And he says that I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character, unquote. So it is important that the dream of Martin Luther King Jr. it has fulfilled, because he dared to dream in 1963, where the white skin and the black skin that time they have differentiate in the society, and now they are apart because of someone who has dreamt for them. Today also, the theme that has been put forward, the question is that to all the students who are here, do you dare to dream or not that you will become someone someday? It is $1 million question to each and every one of us. Because sometimes we just waste our time at pointing fingers at others, criticize at others, but ourselves, we are not doing anything. This is very prevalent in present day generation. Someone will just sit at home reading newspaper in the morning and then criticize at the system, criticize at the society, criticize at young student, criticize and to whatever is happening. But do we feel or not to ourselves that we have to participate, that we have to do something? Let's start from ourselves to build a better society. Let's dream something to become someone. Let's dream something to bring a better society. That is the expectation of the present day generation. The locality or in different occasions organized by civil society, by NGO, the sense of participation is very less, especially when we come on awareness, when we come on different issues, relate with the student, relate with the society, with different issues that we are going through. That's why it is important to have the sense of belonging, a sense of participation, be it in different activities that has been organized. At the same time, to be part of this beautiful day. Now in this formal session, and on the second part, you will have an informal session where everybody will be happy to be part. But I'm not wrong to say, in the formal session now we have this much audience. In the informal session, this basketball field will be packed in the jam session. So the girls with high heel, be very careful in the jam session. We wish you all the best. You should have a good time, you should enjoy, you should dance, you should sing. That is a part of a student life. Each and every one of us who are here also, we have been through all this. This is the moment of joy where you will get to mingle around with friends, fellow students in different semester. This is a time, even the week that you have to exchange your ideas, exchange your views towards the betterment of the society. At the same time, to showcase your talent in different activities that you are in. So today is a beautiful day, and when we look at the theme which says the dream of today are the reality of tomorrow, it is the fact. The Rbcsu College stands today because of someone who have dreamt in the past that this college should be like this today. The dream of Dr. Didi Lapang, the founding member, the founding president, the dream of Pak Rbcsu Makedok, who are here with us, the dream of other leaders and personality who have contributed towards the betterment of this college, the dream of Shri Late R.I. Mashring, the former principal, the dream of SSR Bamon who are here, the dream of all the faculty members that this college should stand where it is today.
Ngintip kumno wansdang ngalakenteng ru sisine kata kumunong ikmat ako po kumu MDC ko hir bandan ke college sani ngapasyang sarum sanang but nadangan jindan atik kerteng jungungan dalajer ke kerteng habang ilit banyak kendu ya kibon penya jung ganehu ni kendu yu tau register uang hinga kumne. Kung namin mo himot man sang ika college. Haba AA himdan. AA na himtip. Ngidan lang yun nakatakapuan. Dahil kajubam na nga kalong baday naman katakadawad yung bumtip. Ngiwan sa sa. Paglang tuay ni sibun kijing mut banila panle yung kata. Kariboy yung kina school bi. Ngatip adan ke banam laaban sutu ke tinding atas saya pasya perlu kayu ba rangan cyber nang rasi. Kariboy yung ki student bayi yung ibadan pulih kedan fair ba fair. Kadan kam ya kelida. Kadan kam ya kinong song. Kibadan gador bat kibadan gadur. Bat daytan kata kaban la ban panlong ya kariboy. Kabadan burong. Kabadan ako bat kabadan gador. But they tangkata kabanga kumbuong sarvini honor principal baka college kadlong kabapranay ka college kadlong kababah
of the college. I congratulate the teacher representatives who are students welfare members in charge. I congratulate all the teaching and non-teaching staff and all the student representatives for organizing this program in this wonderful way. Last year, during the same College Week celebration, we had hoped that we will make certain progress. And I can happily inform all present here that we have made certain progress. We have achieved the computer lab with 100 laptops. We have established a computer lab, a new lab. We have got the power backup, a new diesel generator. We have got 6 new interactive smart boards which are placed in the classrooms of Rbcsu College. These things have happened with the active involvement of the MLA of Nompo. Last year also he had said, go ahead, I will be behind. Thank you so much, sir, for your continuous support and effort. We are able to at least provide these very basic necessities to the college. As I look back my service in the college and I look forward to the remaining part of my service in the college, I can assure you that this college is going to be the #1 institution not only in Rbcsu district, in the entire state of Meghalaya. We are making strides towards achieving that result. I am very sure that we will be within few years able to introduce new subjects, science stream, other professional courses to the existing courses available in this college.